I think a challenge that believers face today, particularly in our very secular culture, is to try to decide where to draw the line in our relationship between the world and between the church. Now, probably the most common place that people draw that line is usually in terms of Sunday or a Sabbath, the idea that this is the Lord's Day on Sunday, but kind of the rest of the week kind of belongs to the devil or it belongs to the world or something like that. And I think many believers wrestle with this tension between my relationship to the Lord and what goes on the rest of the week. I think this is a real tension for believers. And so as we look at that, let's look a little more deeply at how the Lord understands things as opposed to how we see it. I think a lot of American Christians are in a dilemma about this, primarily because of some misunderstandings about the Constitution. We hear many people today talk about the separation of church and state. In other words, this is the church, or this is our little area of spirituality, but this is the state, and we don't really have a part of that. And because there's been this very strong separation of church and state thinking for the past 40 or 50 years, there are many Christians who kind of just stay in their little Christian world, and they're very much afraid to go out or to speak about the Lord or to see the rest of the world as anything to do with the Lord. I think one of the most important things I could say about that is it goes back to that very wonderful hymn, "This is my Father's world." I think true biblical spirituality is not a spirituality that can be compartmentalized. It can't just be stuck in Sunday morning or at a Bible study or a prayer meeting. But true biblical spirituality looks at the whole world as being under the process of redemption. That God is redeeming all of the world, every corner of it, every area of it. And so therefore, we should allow our lives in the Lord to be able to flow into every area, every sector, every part of society. We shouldn't try to separate ourselves from things instead of allowing ourselves to flow into it. And so if you're struggling a little bit with almost that spiritual schizophrenia of being, this is the Lord and this isn't, I encourage you today to think about this is my Father's world, and every part of this world is a part of the Lord's purposes of redemption at this time. And may we go out there with that wonderful attitude today and always.